If your Sketchup file is showing an error, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple ways to recover your file and get back to work as quickly as possible. These fixes are especially helpful if your .skp file won't open, seems corrupted, or gives you an error message when you try to load it. Make sure to watch all the way through, because the first fix is often the fastest one, and the last one can solve permission issues that people overlook. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more practical software tips and troubleshooting guides. Let's start with the easiest recovery method, which is using the Sketchup backup file. When you save a Sketchup model, the program often creates a backup copy with the .skb extension on Windows. On Mac, you may see a backup file in the same folder as your original Sketchup file. Go to the folder where the corrupted .skp file is stored and look for that backup version. Once you find it, make a copy of the backup file first, so you always have the original backup preserved in case something goes wrong. Then rename the copied file extension from .skb to .skp. If you're on Mac, follow the same idea and rename the backup file so Sketchup recognizes it as a standard project file. After that, try opening the renamed file in Sketchup. In many cases, this is enough to restore your most recent working version and bypass the corrupted file entirely. If that doesn't work, the next thing to try is importing the file into a fresh Sketchup project. Open Sketchup and create a brand new file. Instead of opening the damaged project directly, go to File, then Import, and locate the corrupted Sketchup file from there. Depending on the version you're using, Sketchup may allow you to bring in the model data even if the original file refuses to open normally. This can sometimes recover geometry, components, and other elements that would otherwise be inaccessible. If the file imports successfully, save it immediately under a new name, so you're working with a fresh copy. This step is useful because it gives Sketchup a different way to read the data, which can sometimes bypass the issue causing the error in the first place. Now let's talk about another common cause of Sketchup file errors, and that is where the file is stored. If your project is saved on a network drive, a shared server, or a cloud-synced folder like Dropbox or Google Drive, permission conflicts or sync interruptions can trigger file problems. To avoid that, move the file from the cloud or network location to your local desktop or another folder on your computer. Once it's fully copied locally, try opening it again from that new location. Working from a local drive removes delays, syncing conflicts, and access restrictions that can interfere with Sketchup reading the file properly. This is a really important step because sometimes the file itself is fine, but the storage location is causing the error. If you've tried all three of these methods, you should have a much better chance of recovering the project, or at least identifying what is causing the issue. Start with the backup file, then try importing the damaged file into a new project, and finally, make sure the file is stored locally instead of on a network or cloud drive. Those three steps solve a lot of Sketchup file error problems without needing any advanced repair tools. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.